Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Chen and you are watching Encyclop. In this video, we will discuss about the MSc Statistics from LPU University. So, this university provides MSc Statistics, and this program offers comprehensive curriculum, experienced faculty, and abundant research opportunities to prepare you for a successful career in the dynamic field of statistics. MSc Statistics cover a variety of wide range of topics, which are probability, statistical inference, data analysis, mathematical models, and if you want to choose any special, so you can choose econometrics, data science, and biostatistics, and you have given the also the projects and the internships for the, and you will go them for the industry projects also. Curriculum and specialization, so you will study about the probability theory, inference, regression, statistical computing. Electives are here, which are the finance, bio machine learning, bioinformatics, biostatistics, data science, etc. So you can choose any one of them. Industry leaders are here, very renowned, experienced faculties are here, which you provide a better knowledge for in this field, and the faculty members also contribute the field through publication and granted funded projects. Research opportunities are also here, so collaborative with faculty on innovative research in state-of-the-art facilities. You have to present your research, find a regional and national conferences, and contribute to scholarly journals and explain the frontier of the statistical knowledge. Diverse opportunities, advanced analytics, high earning potential. So graduates are prepared for the role in industries like healthcare, finance, technology, and government, develop in demand skills and data analytics, and studies a lucrative field with strong job growth and competitive salaries. Hold a bachelor degrees in a related field with a strong academic record, and submit GRE GMAT scores demonstrating your quantitative and analytic abilities. Articulate your academic and professional goals in a compelling personal statement. So if you have a bachelor degrees in statistics, so you can go for this university, and you should submit also GRE GMAT scores for this. Student life and campus life is here also. Cultural events, sports, library, etc. are here. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which we provide any guidance related to this course. And we are the actually educator uh, for providing all type of education related to this course. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.